sing with me. Today we'll learn the adjectives, it's so easy. Words like cool, cute, and cuddly too. Let's sing together, me and you.
S-E is for cool, can you spell it with me? C-O-O-L, cool as can be. A cool breeze, a cool cat, so nice to see. Cool starts with C, just like me. S-E is for cute, it's sweet and so small. C-U-T-E, cutest of them all. A cute puppy, a cute smile, oh what fun. Cute starts with C for everyone. S-E is for clever, smart as a whip. C-L-E-V-E-R, it's a clever tip. A clever parrot solving puzzles in the zoo. Clever starts with C, now you know it too. S-E is for cuddly, soft and so warm. C-U-D-D-L-Y, a cuddly charm. A cuddly teddy, a cuddly hug so sweet. Cuddly starts with C, isn't that neat? S-E is for courageous, brave and so bold. So U-R-A-G-E-O-U-S, attempt to be told. The courageous lion roaring loud and free. Courageous starts with C, like me. S-E is for charming, delightful and bright. H-A-R-M-I-N-G, it feels just right. Charming smile, a charming day, so sunny. Charming starts with C, isn't that funny? Now we've some sub-words, cool, cute, and more. Clever, cuddly, courageous, charming to adore. Let's spell them again, so clear and true. C-A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E-S, for me and you. Now we've sung words cool, cute, and more.